Hello everyone, welcome to the third edition of Finance Crunch, where I'll be discussing a stock in the technology sector that's recently been raising some eyebrows. So let's get started. Today we're going to be looking at the company Blackberry Ltd, which is trading under the New York Stock Exchange and Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BB. BlackBerry's business model revolves around providing intelligent security software and services to enterprises and governments worldwide. The company leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to deliver solutions in the areas of cybersecurity, safety and data privacy, and endpoint security management, encryption, and embedded systems. To give a little context about the company, it was founded in 1984 by Mike Lazaridis and Douglas Friggin. It was originally known as Research in Motion, which offered products such as smartphones and tablets. At a certain point in time, these products were extremely popular, but they fell out of favor due to strong competition in Apple and Android. In 2013, John S. Chen took over as CEO and transitioned the company to focus on software technology. Currently, the company is based out of Waterloo, Ontario, Canada, operating with approximately 3,600 employees, and is making significant progress in carving out a foothold in the technology sector. Recently, BlackBerry and Amazon have announced that they have signed a multi-year agreement to develop and market BlackBerry's Intelligent Vehicle Data Platform, otherwise known as IVY. IVY is essentially a cloud-connected software platform that aims to provide automakers with the ability to read vehicle sensor data, which will aim to improve the performance of cloud-connected vehicles. Machine learning will also provide inferences of actions in the vehicle as well as in the cloud. Automakers can use the information to provide in-vehicle services. This will help in the process of building, deploying, and monetizing applications in the vehicle. The services and applications that will be provided will be connected across multiple brands and models. This will make it easier for automakers to work with more developers to increase the development of apps and services. Using BlackBerry's QNX software tech, BlackBerry and AWS are teaming up to establish IVY as a standard platform across the industry, similar to the iOS and Android platforms for smartphones. The slide above shows some examples of how vehicle data can be translated into vehicle applications. For one example, BlackBerry's IVY can use data to recognize a certain driver's behavior in hazardous conditions ahead, and recommend the driver to use relevant safety features such as traction control, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. After the process is complete, IVY can provide feedback on how efficiently the safety features were used and what strategic investments can be used going forward to improve vehicle performance. BlackBerry's IVY can also provide drivers of electronic vehicles the option of sharing their car battery information with a third-party charging network. In doing this, the network will reserve a charging port for the driver and customize the driver's charging time according to the driver's current location and travel plans. The most appealing feature of the IVY system may prove to be the insights that are provided to parents of teenage drivers who may choose to receive customizable notifications based on insights from vehicle sensors. The sensors can determine the number of passenger changes, when the driver appears to be texting, distracted, or not observing speed limits, or when the vehicle occupancy level rises above the parent's desired safety threshold. If IVY is able to achieve this standardization, then they will control the market. IVY isn't quite there yet, but their QNX operating system is already in 175 million vehicles across the world. Due to the newly minted agreement with Amazon, one of the largest companies in the world, the potential for this agreement seems obvious, given the rise of technology simultaneously with electronic vehicles. Amazon's financial and marketing bravado, combined with BlackBerry's technology, could be the perfect recipe for a massive success in the future. And I think the market is realizing this, given BlackBerry's recent market move upwards. We've already seen a major catalyst for growth in the agreement formed with Amazon, and there is speculation that automakers will be lining up to incorporate this software into their smart cars. A major component of BlackBerry's QNX software is the cybersecure cloud software, which is likely the reason why Amazon decided to partner with them. In this way, the data collected from the vehicles can be secure. Consumers will also feel safe while using the services knowing that their data is cyber secure. It will be interesting to see if automakers adopt IVY as the auto industries are transitioning towards smart vehicles in the upcoming years. BlackBerry is currently the only company that offers this specific platform, and this could be a major catalyst for growth as more automakers incorporate this platform into their designs. For example, there has been some speculation that BlackBerry could sign an agreement with Tesla to use the QNX software as opposed to developing their own software for the vehicles. The EBITDA in 2020 is $110 million, with revenues close to $1 billion, showing that the company is profitable and that it has adequate revenue coming in. The year-over-year quarterly revenue growth also showed an increase of 6.1%. as well as the price to book value of the company, which was 2.48 in the most recent fiscal quarter. With the freshly signed Amazon deal and the underlying solid financial stability of this company, the valuation looks to be undervalued and is likely to increase as more positive news comes to fruition. Some risk factors that individuals should consider when analyzing BlackBerry center around prominent competitors in the tech space that could develop systems to compete with QNX software, such as tech giants Apple and Google. As I mentioned in previous videos, there also could be a setback in the COVID-19 vaccine, which might cause a significant market move downwards. This looks to be a long-term growth stock with good financials. In the upcoming weeks, there looks to be a lot of volatility regarding this stock, but the company's underlying business model has shown to be profitable in recent years, and the added partnership should push this stock forward. BlackBerry has proved that their transition from the smartphone industry was successful. There might be small corrections in the near future, but BlackBerry looks to be an undervalued stock going forward into 2021. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor or a professional, and the content that I provided in this video are my personal opinions. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.